So as we look at the history of data science, one of the things that we want to point out at this really early stage as we're trying to get our arms around the topic and understand what it is that this discipline is trying to solve, you got to realize that data science is actually a combination of a number of things. Now, you probably saw that on the Wikipedia article, but I wanted to point it out here on a timeline. So data science combines really three different disciplines. It combines statistics and mathematics, it combines computer science, and then it combines some type of domain knowledge in the form of data collection. So data, code, and math all come together to create this discipline. Now, as we go through and we teach you about the different tools in Python, it'll become obvious that we'll be using certain types of algorithms that are actually really old. They've been around a long time before we had as much data as we have now. But the combination of these three things, in addition to the amount of data and the size of data that's currently available, has motivated the creation of this whole new discipline where we can now start extracting insights when we combine these things. As you can see on this timeline here that many of the algorithms that we'll use were actually formed over 200 years ago, some 300 years ago, where we saw the early statistical methods being built. We'll actually cover a number of these techniques later in the course, which will be kind of neat, and we can trace that history. But what I wanted to point out here was just to say this concept that data science is now a big thing because we have this combination of things that we hadn't had before. Our computers are faster and more powerful than they've ever been. We have advances in mathematics that have allowed us to solve really cool problems. And then we have really massive amounts of data sets that are ubiquitously available across all organizations.